Hello everyone. So basically, as most of you I think in the tech domain know who are watching this video, that generative AI is kind of a craze, right? All of the companies are looking to upskill people. All of the individuals themselves are looking to upskill themselves on generative AI. And many people are looking for some good introductory courses and some courses, for example, which will have some sort of a proof of completion like a badge or a certificate or something. So this is a generative AI fundamentals course which is available from Databricks, who, as you know, is a reputed company doing this kind of data and AI stuff for a long time. So you can trust their badges. It's well known. Everybody knows about Databricks. The good thing is that it's open to everybody. Okay, it's open to everybody, no cost, nothing. You just need to register yourself to get that badge. Okay, if you just want to do the certification, meaning without the badge or without the exam, if you just want to go through the course, you can even do it without registration. But anyways, so how do I start and where do I need to go? So what I suggest is go to Databricks Academy for login. Click on customers and prospects, this part. So databricks.com/learn/training login. If you just do a Google Databricks Academy login, you will get it. Once you go there, this is the home page. Okay, this is all of the Databricks training, right? That is available for customers, consumers like us. We are not partners. I'm going here in my individual capacity with my individual unofficial email. Okay, it's not like a partner email or something that I'm using my official email. So you come here and you just search with generative AI. Okay, so as you can see, generative AI fundamental because it's done by me. So as you can see, 12 parts, very less time taken, very less. Maximum it will take 1.5 hours maximum. So you first go to what is the video about, then you do this generative AI basics. Okay, so high level basics. What is LLMs? Okay, what is Lakehouse AI? How a company should adopt AI. Okay, then you go to this legal and ethical considerations. So again, potential risks, what are the different hallucinations, privacy, bias, all of those risks, what are the ethical consideration, legal consideration, and human AI interactions. Once you finish all of this, then it will be 11 out of 12. As you can see, there are 12 courses in total. The last is this exam that you need to take, knowledge check. Okay, this is an exam that you need to check. So as you can see, I have passed that exam. I will not obviously retake the test because I would encourage you guys to do it. It's quite simple, quite simple. If you go through the course, it should be very simple. Once you do this, it will be 12 out of 12. Your thing is done. That does not mean you will get the badge just then. It might take some time. Once everything is done, you will get an email from Databricks saying, guys, this is your badge. And finally, you will get this kind of a badge. If you go to my credentials, this is um, Accredel. Yes, this one, as you can see. And this is something that you can even share on your LinkedIn profile or something. Again, this is not at all anything very deep into generative AI. This is just getting started. Okay. Even, but it's good. At least that sometimes when you are studying maybe this blog, that blog, Udemy, at least here you have some sort of a overall idea. First of all, about generative AI, and it's being driven by database. And that is what I always say, that there is so much content out there in the world that you need to trust the content. So when Databricks is saying something, when Databricks is saying this is an open source LLM, this is a proprietary LLM, you can trust that, right? Because they have spent time and effort and their Databricks is simple as that. And you get this kind of a badge, and I'm sure they will release new badges like the generative AI fundamentals, generative AI experts, and all of that. And most likely they will even open source or make it free also, just like the Google generative AI learning path. So I strongly encourage anybody, whether they know anything about Gen AI, whether they don't know anything, but at least maybe has spent some time on Chat GPT, know what Chat GPT is, know what DALI is, know what OpenAI as a company is. You just go here. At least it will give you some idea, and it's good that you get something out of it to show, to share with your colleagues, and it shows that yes, this guy is interested in these emerging digital technologies. Perfect. Again, very short video, just telling you guys about this thing. Go and do it. Any questions, ping me on LinkedIn. I will help you. Thank you so much.